Hey there, all exporters and importers. How are you all? So once again, this is Veeral Shah and I welcome you all in this wonderful export-import business and on the YouTube channel of iiiEM plus into the video series hashtag Ask iiiEM. Here we are trying to give you the solutions for your questions, doubts and queries. Let's talk about today's question that is from Priyan Jain. That is a very good, interesting question from Priyan, and that is how we can participate into international trade fairs. And for participating into international trade fairs, what are the procedures that we need to follow to avail those government benefits by which the government can treat us as a delegate in an international trade fairs? Please make a video on this, sir. Hashtag Ask iiiEM. So that is the question from Priyan, that how we can participate into international exhibitions and what are the government benefits and how much or how we can avail that, right? So first of all, thank you very much, Priyan, for asking this wonderful question. International exhibitions, either they are going to be organized in India or out of India. The government export promotional agencies are there who are going to give you these benefits. Number of benefits and the huge benefits being provided by the Indian government, right? If you are, first of all, understand there are two things you are discussing here. The first one is international trade fairs, either being organized in India or outside India. And the second is delegations. There are two different separate things. The first one is international trade fairs. Either you can visit those exhibitions or you can participate into that. You can have a stall, you can have a booth into that exhibition. So for visiting, government is not going to give you any kind of extra benefits. For visiting into any international exhibition, there is no government benefit. But if you are participating into that, if you are keeping a stall, if you are having a booth into that international trade fairs, definitely government will give you some subsidies, some extra government benefits. There are two types of government benefit. The first one is MDA, which is called a Market Development Assistance, and the second is MAI, which is called a Market Access Initiative. And when the exhibition is going to be announced by these export promotional agencies, at that moment itself, for that later in the later itself, in that announcement itself, they will give you this provision that the MDA or MAI will be provided by that export promotion agencies and how much it will be provided and to how many exhibitors, first come first serve basis, or what would be the criteria. So the criteria would be there, or first come first serve basis. Number of exhibitors will be also fixed, like 20-25 exhibitors will be given the benefit, or MDA or MAI, and how much, I mean 70%, 80%, or it is going to be one specific amount. For an example, if you are giving 2 lakh rupees as an exhibition fees, as an exhibition stall fees, and they are going to give you 1,40,000 or 1,50,000 as a reimbursement subsidy, as a reimbursement, right? So at the first, when you are participating, you have to pay that, you have to exhibit, and later on, once the exhibition is ended, then they will give you the reimbursement of the given benefit, right? So that is the benefit which is being given by the Indian government on participating into international trade fairs. MDA, MAI, both can be applied while you are going to exhibit into India or outside India, but it has to be mentioned, it has to be declared in the announcement later itself. You can get it done by giving the application, and try to do it as soon as possible. The announcement has been done. So you have to be very quick. You have to be very fast to be in the top 20 or the top 25 has to be selected, right? And the second is delegation. The first one is international trade fairs, where you are participating, where you are having a booth, and the visitors are coming down. They are visiting your stall. They are looking towards your product, and accordingly they will give you the order. So that is one thing. But about the delegation, when you are participating into delegations, I can say the export promotional agencies as well as CII or the FICCI, they are organizing such kind of delegations. Even they can take you outside the India, or they can invite the foreign delegations also in our country. So that is going to be a one-to-one meeting. The delegation, when it comes to the delegation, it is going to be a one-to-one meeting. It is not about the exhibition. Like, so for an example, 50 or 100 the business people, they will take you out, and they will allow you to meet around 200 or 300 another business people. So that is called the delegation. So in that, there is no specific extra government benefits, but yes, what they are going to help you, what kind of a platform they are providing. For an example, if you are going to visit any country by your own, as a direct business people, as an exporter, you are going by your own. So what the charges, what are the expenses are going to be occur. compared to that, these agencies are going to charge you very less. I can say about 40 to 50% will be discounted. So in that figure, in that minimum figure, you can visit those countries with the government delegations. So you will be having that impression, you will be having that treatment, that important treatment will be given by the opposite country, opposite business people. The perspective will be changed from that business people. So that is the importance of that delegations, right? So hopefully, Priyanji, you have got the answer for your question, that what type of the benefits will be given by the government of India, and accordingly how you can claim it. What is the procedure? Just simple thing, you need to apply for the exhibition. If you are going to be selected, you have to participate into that. You have to pay all the extra whatever the expenses are there. Accordingly, by the end of the exhibition, they will give you the reimburse in your current account. So that is the procedure, and those type of government benefits, MDA and MAI. Not only the when you are exhibiting yourself on outside India, so at that time we can say not only the booth charges, but they are also going to give you subsidy into hotel charges plus air tickets. That's what I have seen. So there is a huge benefits will be given by the government of India. The government is actually providing you amazing platforms to promote your exports. So just get the benefit, just make the best use of it and expand your business across the world, right? So thank you very much for asking this wonderful question. Hopefully every viewer or every exporters have got valuable information in this video. If you have liked it, please share, make a comment and subscribe, press the bell icon and share with your groups, friends, relatives, business peoples, and accordingly invite them also to share their own queries. So thank you very much. Let's increase the export of yourself, of our country, and let's bring those golden birds back in India. So that is the wish, that is the mission, golden bird from the iiiEM. So thank you very much. Wish you very best of luck. Thank you.